Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see shaded sketch counter option as well as segment option in SolidWorks 2020. So let's first start with the sketch. I select the front plane, I select sketch, and I want to draw some sketch tools. Suppose I want to draw a rectangle. I draw a rectangle. Again I want to draw a circle. Again I draw a circle. I want to draw a polygon. Okay, so in this way I can sketch a different sketch tools. Now we are going to see what is shaded sketch counter. When I select this option, that is shaded sketch counter, all these counters which are closed, that will turn into the shaded. Suppose I try to draw a line, but you can see over here this counter is not a closed counter because here there is a gap, and if I try to close this gap, so it will also turn into the a shaded sketch counter. So in this way we can make use of shaded sketch counter in order to identify whether the sketch is closed or whether the sketch is open. And also now we are going to see segment option in SolidWorks 2020. What is the segment option? When I click on this option, you can see this option is available over here. In your version of SolidWorks, it may be visible over here. You can go to the here and select tools. Inside the sketch tools, you can select segment option from here, or else what you can do, you can go over here, you can search segment option, and you can drag this option from here to here. So in this way you can get segment option. Now inside this option you have to select a parameter. Now here it is telling us that select a single entity, that is arc, line and circle. So what I can select arc, I can select a line, and I can select a circle. Now this arc or line that are available in this sketches, suppose I select this line and I want to create a 10 instances. Basically I can select a 5. So when I select 5, I can either sketch points or I can either sketch a segment. Suppose when I sketch points, then what happens, you can see over here, you can see that this line is divided into the 5 equal parts, and these are the 5 points are created on these lines. So in this way we can create a sketch of points on the line. Again when I select the segment option, and again I select this line, and again I select 4 instances, and I select the sketch segments and I click OK. Now we can see this line is divided into the 5 segments. This is segment 1, this is segment 2, this is segment 3, and this is segment 4. So in this way the line is divided into the 4 segments. So suppose I select a circle over here, I select this circle, and I want to divide this circle into the segments or points. So suppose 6 points I have to generate on this circle, and I can select sketch points, and you can see that 6 points are created on this circle, that is this one, and so on. Suppose if I want to generate segments on this circle, the segments will be in the form of arcs. So I select 7 segments, or I can select 8. Okay, so suppose I select 8 segments and sketch segment option on, and I click. So software is trying to tell me the segment has a midpoint or equidistance or equal length relation. Splitting segments will delete the relation. Do you want to continue? Yes. So what happens, that all the segments now will be of equal length, or you can say the equal linear length. Okay, so in this way you can see the different segments are created inside this circle. So in this way we can use the segment option and shaded sketch counter option in SolidWorks 2020. That's all in this video tutorial. Thank you.